Want to turn clicks into cash? I'll reveal the top secret traffic hacks that supercharge your affiliate marketing. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stick around till the end, as this video will not just cover the basics of driving traffic for affiliate marketing, but also reveal some unexpected, game-changing tactics that will elevate your strategy to new heights. Prepare to be thoroughly enlightened. Understanding affiliate marketing and your audience is essential. To succeed, you must comprehend who your audience is, their interests, and needs. Tailoring your content and promotions to fit their preferences increases the likelihood of engagement and sales. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a fundamental strategy. By researching and using relevant keywords, your content becomes more visible in search engine results. This organic traffic is crucial because it targets users already interested in your niche or products. On-page SEO goes beyond just keywords. Optimizing your website's headers, images, and meta descriptions to align with these keywords enhances user experience and search engine ranking. Each on-page element should contribute to your site's overall SEO strategy. Off-page SEO, particularly backlinking, is about enhancing your site's authority. Securing high-quality links from reputable websites signals to search engines that your content is valuable, thereby boosting your search rankings. Social media platforms are invaluable for affiliate marketers. With their vast user base, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn offer a diverse audience. Tailoring your content to each platform's unique style can significantly increase your reach. Running targeted ads on social media can efficiently direct your message to a specific audience. These platforms offer sophisticated targeting options based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, enhancing the chances of reaching potential buyers. Email marketing is a powerful tool. Building an email list allows for direct communication with your audience. Through newsletters and updates, you can nurture long-term relationships and keep your audience engaged with your brand. Engaging newsletters should provide value beyond just selling products. They could include industry insights, tips, or special offers. The goal is to create content that subscribers find useful and look forward to receiving. Influencer marketing taps into the trust influencers have built with their followers. Their endorsements can drive significant traffic and conversions, making it a worthy strategy for affiliates. Webinars offer a platform to share expertise and information. This builds trust and establishes credibility. You can use webinars to educate your audience about a topic related to your affiliate product, thereby increasing interest and potential sales. Traditional PPC advertising like Google Ads remains effective. It targets users actively searching for your products or services, offering a direct line to interested customers. Content marketing through blog posts, infographics, and videos provides education and entertainment. This not only attracts, but retains an audience. High-quality content can position you as an authority, driving traffic and fostering trust. YouTube offers a massive platform for video content. Creating engaging videos about your product or related topics can attract a large audience. Ensure your videos are informative and include calls to action. Guest blogging has multiple benefits. It gives you exposure to a new audience and helps in building backlinks, which are vital for SEO. Choose blogs that align with your niche for maximum impact. Optimizing your website for mobile users is crucial. A mobile-friendly site caters to the growing number of users who browse and shop on their phones, potentially increasing your traffic and conversions. Are our stories capturing your imagination? Keep the magic alive. Hit subscribe, sprinkle your like as fairy dust, and ring the bell for more enchanting tales. Ready to be spellbound again? Let's weave back into the magic. Participation in forums and online communities like Quora and Reddit can be strategic. By offering value in these communities, you can subtly promote your affiliate links, driving interested users to your site. Running contests and giveaways can effectively generate interest and traffic. They can increase your visibility and potentially lead to more traffic and conversions. Consistency in affiliate marketing is about regular engagement with your audience. Consistent content updates and interactions maintain audience interest and can improve sales over time. The affiliate marketing world is expansive. Continuously learning about new trends and strategies keeps your efforts fresh and effective. Building trust with your audience is imperative. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. This honesty enhances credibility and fosters loyalty. Versatility and promotional strategies is essential. Experiment with different tactics to find what resonates best with your audience, from SEO and content marketing to paid advertising. Affiliate marketing is not just about sales, it's about adding value. Promote products that genuinely benefit your audience, enhancing trust and loyalty. Leveraging features of affiliate marketing platforms can enhance success. Utilize available tools and analytics to optimize your strategies and increase earnings. Consistent promotional efforts are key. Regularly sharing affiliate links and updating content keeps your audience engaged and increases sales opportunities. Collaboration and community engagement can open new doors. Learning from others' experiences and sharing insights can lead to discovering effective strategies and avoiding common mistakes. Investing in your skills and knowledge is crucial. Continuous learning through webinars, blogs, and courses equips you with the latest affiliate marketing techniques. Disclose your affiliate relationships for transparency. This practice builds trust with your audience and adheres to legal requirements. Maintain a positive attitude. Challenges are inevitable, but with perseverance and creativity, you can overcome them and find success in affiliate marketing. In conclusion, driving traffic in affiliate marketing involves a mix of strategic planning, creative content creation, and persistent engagement. By applying these methods thoughtfully and consistently, you can attract a significant audience and turn your affiliate marketing efforts into a success. Launch into your digital transformation today. Your first step is unlocking a treasure trove of knowledge with a free ebook filled with the most current and impactful online business strategies. But the journey to digital mastery doesn't end there. A specially designed 15-day challenge lies ahead, providing a unique opportunity to implement these strategies in real-world scenarios, all under the expert guidance of top e-commerce professionals. This is where strategy meets action, arming you with a comprehensive toolkit for success in the digital marketplace. Ready to turn your vision into reality? Take action with confidence. Click the link in the description and set off on your path to becoming a digital business leader. Lowering the anchor on today's e-earning voyage, sailed through the method? Calm seas or rough tides? Chart your journey in the comments. Did today's financial navigation lead you to treasure? Click like to salute your voyage. Keen to explore more oceanic earnings? Subscribe and ring the ship's bell, ensuring you're ready for every nautical adventure. Before you disembark, catch that video on the horizon? It's a map to unexplored territories of online income. Set sail and let's navigate these prosperous waters together. Until our next sea expedition.